Another day in the metal shop. I just finished. Remember that repurposed steel that I had that was off the zoo wagon that was all painted and crooked? Well, I cut some more of it in 45-degree angles, and I just grinded off all the paint as best I could. There's an echo. What is that echo? Oh, that's the box I've been building. Hello? Anyway, I'm going to put a bottom and a top on this new storage box that I'm building out of repurposed steel. So we're going to start with putting the frame together for the top of it to make the lid for it. It's kind of nice when the sun in the morning shines right on my work. It's warm enough. That's nice that it's warm enough, first of all. But then secondly is when the sun shines right on my workspace. Very helpful. So I measured the top of my storage box. Let me show you. I have to kind of do this anyway. I want to make sure that it's going to fit a nice, decent seal so that we can at least put a lock on it if we want to, right? I'm missing a piece. Where'd that other piece go? All right, found it. It was still in the vise. So it looks like we're pretty good on that. So let's weld it up. What I do is I just use these carpenter squares. You can see they're old and crusty, but they're useful. And I just tack down the inside corners like it's upside down right now. And I don't completely weld up the inside of it because that's where I'm gonna fill in the top, and then I'd have to grind out all the welds anyway. So I just tack it down and then weld up the other side so that I can easily grind out the tacks on this side.
Sean built the new set.
Does that make sense?
Our hired union guy Steve did a tremendous job at making sure the back.
Anyway, that's the way I do it. And because the metal is repurposed, it's bent. So I want to make sure it lays flat before I tack it down. So see, like that, it's not laying flat. That's where our magnets come in handy. See, like right there isn't flat either. Over the summertime, when I wasn't welding, I did get a brand new welding jacket. It's leather on the top and cloth on the bottom. Heck yeah! Another couple of weeks, you won't even recognize this jacket. It don't take long for them to get all burnt up and stuff. But it looks good for now, right? Heck yeah, it looks good. I know I got a Vulcan helmet, Harbor Freight helmet, and a Miller jacket. I get the best of both worlds, boys. Yeah. Okay, spot on. Now we need to come up with the lid design. I'm going to mix it up, do something different this time than I normally do. Whenever I do projects like this, I guess mainly because that's all I got is scrap metal. And I don't go buy any metal for any particular purpose. So what I usually do is I make it up as I go along. That's what I do. And that's what I'm going to do today too. Gonna make it up as I go along. I've never done it like this before. And that's why I'm going to do it like this now, right? Why not? Well, that was a really hard reach with this really big nozzle here to get up under there. So we're going to do the corners on the, we're going to do the outside corners because we have to grind this anyway. I made the lid. It's all repurposed steel. I mean, I'm going to clean it up, clean all this rust off of it. It's perfect. I like it. I got the drum fan going, get this dust out of here. Oh, I took that fan off. I felt I was screaming, and I was. Okay, so this looks pretty good, I think. We just have to put the bottom on it, the bottom or the floor. You know, put our hinges on it, get all this rust off of it, clean it up, put some decorations on it, right? It's badass so far. So I like it. It's nice and smooth around the edges. Cool. All right. See you on the next one. I don't know whether it'll be working on this or not. We'll play it by ear. How's that sound?